everything you told us to do. And nothing seems to be happening.
Ada, we've called it quits with our boyfriends as you suggested to us.
Edith, there is no hurry in life. Okay. God has answered your prayer, so. But you need to be patient. You need to calm down. Because good things doesn't come easily. Do you understand? Anytime, you have to be patient. You have to be praying for this God. You know, good things don't come easily. You have to be praying for this God. You see this God? He's the giver of wealth. Adora nekuka. It's okay. It's okay.
Mana, let me suggest something to you.
Go ahead.
Where you are. There's something I want to ask you or beg you. Please. We want to be your PA.
PA?
Go and check in balance the portion.
You sure that you want to go?
We are capable.
I see. Is that so?
Oh, yeah, Kaijibia.
So, Edith, Nkechi, you said you want to be my PA.
Exactly.
It's okay. I will look into that.
Amara, what do you want again?
I came to find out why you have refused to avenge my death.
Amara,
I don't need any excuse from you. You are wicked and heartless. That is why you have refused to avenge my death.
Amara, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't tell me you are sorry. I don't need your useless sorry. Avenge my death, or you pay with your life. Avenge my death, or you pay with your life. Avenge my death, or you pay with your life.
She threatened to kill me. What else does she want me to do? Who's that?
I thought it's me, your mother.
My mother. What does she want?
Adora, please open this door. Oh. Mama, what is the problem? Hey! Hey! I went to my bathroom to ease myself, only for me to come back and saw your late sister sitting on my bed. She was crying. Yes, she was crying.
You mean Amara?
Yes. I even dreamt of her before I woke up. She insisted that you must tell me what happened to her. Please, Adora, you and I are here alone. Please, can you explain things to me? Save me this fear.
Mama, she never appeared to your dream. It was a mere hallucination.
No.
Mama, it's a mere dream.
This is not just a mere dream. It is real. I saw her. Yes, I saw her.
Mama, please. I want to sleep. Please, can you go back to your bed?
Oh no. I'm afraid I'm not going anywhere. I will sleep here with you. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Has destroyed humanity. It has destroyed humanity. Ewo. I suggest we go. We've been waiting here for more than 2 hours now. Eh? I'm tired.
Emeka, I'm not leaving here until Zodema comes back and tell me why he's having problem with Adora. I can't leave.
Mama, we can go and come back later. I'm not saying you will not ask him. We can go and return. I'm tired.
We have been waiting already. So let us exercise more patience. Enano, he will soon be back like his brother said.
Obida, please now, call your brother. Let's know if he's coming back now or later.
I'm sorry. Let me call him again.
The wait is tiring.
Let me call him again, please. Oh, he's back.
Someday the wicked shall cry.
Brother, you're welcome.
I'll go get on you. Hold it there. What are these people doing here? They came to see me. How dare you let them in without my consent? Are you mad? Are you mad? Fool. Listen, get out. Don't lose on me. The relationship we had ended the moment your daughter died. You are no longer my in-law. If I come back and meet you here, you will regret knowing me. Throw these things out.
Mama, let's go. Let's go. I told you, let's go.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Don't wait for him to come up. I told you now. Such an embarrassment.
Could be the devil you don't know. Wickedness and evil has destroyed humanity. It has destroyed.
Why did you open that gate? Why did you open that gate? Kneel down, hands up, close your eyes. You will stay here for 2 days.
The day of reckoning shall come, because what goes around comes around. Someday the wicked shall cry.
Our in-laws, now that you are here, it is pertinent, necessary that we should go straight to the matter that brought us here.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Like you said, I think it's better we go straight to the point. Let's know why we are here.
But before we go on, I want to first apologize for the absence of his father, my brother. I just have to come and present him. Please. You can tell us why.
There's Bogom. It shall be well with you people. You are welcome. You see, a few weeks ago, our brother's wife here brought a complaint to us that her daughter, Adora, and your son, our good son-in-law, are having a serious discord to the extent that they are threatening each other's life. So we decided to come and look into the matter and settle the problem. That's the more reason why we're here.
My in-laws, as our people say, a stitch in time saves 9. Even though Amara, our daughter, is dead, we all are still in-laws. But as it stands now, we should call upon our daughter and your own son to tell us the cause of their differences.
Thank you very much. I don't know much about this. Uzo, you have heard what they have said. I'm not really aware of this discord, but do you have anything to say?
Thank you, my elders. I came because of the respect I have for him. I fight once a year, because when I fight to finish. My problem with Adora is beyond settlement. Yes, I will fight her. Read my lips. I will fight and fight her till I'm satisfied. Yes.
I am so prepared for you. I am ready for you. Yes.
Adora!
Don't leave me.
Which one?
Look at this fool. How did you know you were nothing?
I was nothing then, but now I'm something.
Oh, you are nothing but a toothless bulldog. Nyala kebo, only fable.
Adora, this is not why we are here.
Mama, leave me. He said he doesn't want settlement. Should I stop panicking? No, tell me, Mama. He's too small for me to handle. Mga handle lagi fukwete. Vuna wine na bebe.
Nketa na abuja da tawo. But trust me, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. I don't bet you there. But trust me, listen if you don't know.
Adora! Ogo! Don't forget me! Don't forget me!
I don't take this serious. Taking it from my head to my imam.
Ma wadi na wani gra ka wani.
Ma jowo ga azu ki ko no le me.
Wanda wala ya na men. Ma wadi na wani na bebe de ka petalen. Mo ba dara na kuko. Mama, you see? You better go and tell them what you did. On your life, small boy. Don't make money. No! It's in the presence of this country that I want to crying. Anyway, if I don't know what he said, right? I am so ready for him. And I want to tell you guys about it.
Something as fast as possible. I mean, very fast, because both of them are threatening each other's life.
Why are they fighting each other?
My lord, I do not know. I do not know. None of them has been able to disclose to me the root of the problem. But, my lord, I strongly believe that the death of Uzodima's wife must be the root of this problem.
The death of Uzodima's wife?
Yes, my lord.
Why?
My lord, the disease is actually Adora's sister.
Really?
Yes.
Well, it is against our law that each
please, I want to plead on their behalf. You need to talk to them. My Lord, you need to talk to them as soon as possible to avert any other problem. Please. My Lord.
I'll advise both of them as quickly as possible. But I want you to be present in that meeting.
My Lord, I will certainly be available.
The day of reckoning shall come, because what goes around comes around. Someday the wicked shall cry.
Hey, anybody find run here? Come on!
Who are you?
Your guy.
You have to tell me your fire. What are you doing in my compound? And who are you?
See, we no come make trouble with you. You understand? We come make reason with you.
Oga, we are here to warn you to stay away from Ada Diorama. If not, I appear wagazo.
Listen, you are ugly and annoying at the same time. That's double offense. Get out of my compound, I'm losing it.
So, guy, hey, no even dare, no dare at all. What's for our own? God won't use that bless us. Waiting.
Oga, Ada Diorama kwesi ibinya ike, obinye be ike. Ikwesi inwe ndidi Ada Diorama binye cha ike.
Na.
Iche piaka.
Ibe. Come here. Listen. The next time you let these urchins into my compound, I will not only fire you, but I will behead you. I hope my message is clear. Throw these things out.
The day your reckoning shall come, because what goes around comes around. Someday the wicked shall cry.
Mama, imagine the kind of son you had. He is a criminal. He stole my money. Look at it. Have you seen? He's a criminal. He stole my money. I caught him red-handed.
Withdraw that statement, Adora. Your brother is not a criminal. He's not a criminal. He's your brother.
He's a criminal. But thank God he didn't succeed in taking my money. He's a useless boy. That's why he's going up and down in the village, doing nothing.
Adora, you are the cause of the misbehavior of my son. You caused it.
Mama, what have I not done for Emeka to be useful in his life? What have I not done to him? Nothing. I've done everything.
You refused to send him abroad. Help your brother. He's the only brother you have. Oh,
Mama. Oh, hey. I am now the one responsible for Emeka's misbehavior. Okay? Mama, let me tell you. You are the one that spoiled Emeka. Ngewa. Yes, you. You spoiled Emeka. Let me tell it to you. What kind of woman here? What is all this?
Adora, don't insult me. Don't forget that you are idle.
Mama, you see Adora? Adora must tell us exactly what happened to Amara. Because from here now, I am going straight to the chairman of our kinsmen and I'm going to tell him everything that's happened, including how to kidnap you.
How dare you? How dare you lay such allegation against me? Are you stupid?
Adora, you slapped my son.
And I will slap him a million times if he continues misbehaving. Who is he in this house? Only Emeka in this house.
Adora had the guts to slap me.
And if you talk again, I will get you arrested. Are you stupid?
Adora had the guts to slap me.
Adora. Nonsense. I've had it enough. I've had it here.
Mama Adora slapped me.
And if you talk again, I will do it.
Say Abaliam. Is it Abaliam? Mama.
Nonsense.
Mama Nga operate today. Mama, Adora slapped me. You have told the tale of a tiger. You, Mama Adora slapped me. No problem.
There is trouble everywhere. The angel you know could be the devil you don't know. Wickedness and evil has destroyed humanity. It has destroyed humanity.
My daughter, how are you?
I'm fine, Uncle. Adora, we are here because of the unfinished discussion we had with you the other time we visited here. Emeka came to my house this afternoon and threatened to report the matter to our kinsman chairman. But I said no. Let's sit again.
Uncle,
allow him to finish.
Mama, they can report me to anyone. I don't care. If anybody wants to report me to the Omona, let them go ahead. I will take it. Yes, because Adora, come daughter.
Adora, nobody says that you have hands in your sister's death.
But what, Uncle? No, tell me, but what? What is going on?
Amara is still insisting that you know what happened to her.
Yes.
Me? Take me to the Omona. I will answer them whenever they call me. Yes! And you see, you are being the one swallowing this issue. You are the one causing all these problems. But let me tell you, let me warn you for the last time. Emeka, I will deal with you. By the time I finish with you, you don't have much to talk. Oh, my God, is that you?
Uncle Udebese, she said she would deal. Uncle, you are here. She said she would deal with me. Mama, you are here. She said she would deal with me. She's threatening my life. Uncle, don't tell me nothing will happen. No, this is how nothing will happen. Amara is dead now. Uncle, if anything happens to me from today henceforth, everybody should hold responsible. No? I'm not Amara. We're talking about Amara's own now. She said she would deal with me. Oh God, my son, nothing will happen. Papa, no problem. She said she's threatening me. No problem. No problem.
There is danger, there is trouble everywhere. The angel you know could be the devil you don't know. Wickedness and evil has destroyed humanity. It has destroyed.
Okoro, what is No, madam, I carry them come. They are very dangerous. Okay. Where are you going? In my own house? No, in my sister's house. You're asking me?
Behave yourself.
Speak! I should behave myself in my sister's house. Oh, but this is my house. This is nobody. Behave yourself. Okay, now look. Mama! Who are those armed thugs outside? What are they doing here? What's their mission? I don't understand.
Your sister said she hired them to be her bodyguards.
What does she need bodyguards for? Is she a government official? Eh? Mama, Adora brought those thugs because of me. That's the truth. No, that's the truth. Adora brought those thugs because of me.
Why should she do that?
Mama, have you forgotten? Have you forgotten what's on board? She wants to intimidate me. No, she wants to intimidate me. But she has not started though. She has not started. Nothing will stop me from reporting her to our kinsmen. She wants to intimidate me.
I told her that I don't like those people in this house. But there's nothing I can do.
Mama, there's something you can do. Better talk to her when she comes back. Oh. Better talk to her because man and they are getting one at this house. And they are going to them. Mpobre.
Danger, there is trouble everywhere. The angel you know could be the devil you don't know.
I have heard stories about the problem between you both. Adora.
My lord.
Could you please tell me what is wrong between you and Uzodimma to the extent of threatening each other's life?
My lord, I am sorry to ask. Who brought this matter to you?
Forget about who brought the matter. Are you having problems with Uzodimma or not?
My lord, without due respect, I suggest you ask the person that brought this matter to explain himself.
Shut up! How dare you? How dare you? Now answer my question.
My lord, she is shying away from answering your question because she started it all.
We are here to settle this issue once and for all.
He's a liar. Yes. He knew it. He knew what he did.
Adora, you kidnapped my father and killed him. To cap it up, you sent hired assassins to take my life. But guess what? Onye na balafa kagibulu dibia.
Uzodimma, who shall see? I always told you that you are a small boy. You are a small boy. And you have to go and make money before you talk to me.
Keep quiet, both of you! I did not call you here to insult me. Or have you lost your manners?
I'm sorry, my lord.
You both have been suspended indefinitely from the Dragon Fraternity.
The day of reckoning shall come, because what goes around comes around. Someday the wicked shall cry.
Uzodimma. Uzodimma. Now is the time for you to offer your sacrifice to the high altar of the dragon Confraternity for the confirmation of your membership. Udenga! Uzodimma, this is your sacrifice. The Most High is pleased with it.
Objection, my lord!
No objection in this temple. Be warned! Tahi, tahi. Tahi, tahi. Sovoto, sovoto. Sovoto, sovoto. Tahi, tahi. Tahi, tahi. Sovoto, tahi, tahi. Tahi, tahi. Tahi, tahi.
My sister wouldn't have died if I had dared the consequences and insisted she must not be sacrificed to the Dragon Lord. Zodimma will not go free from this. His father was a wrong choice. That is why Amara is still coming to me to avenge her death.
Thank you for harboring me in your house. I'm set to leave now. I'll come back later to pick my remaining things.
And who asked you to leave? Who asked you?
Nobody. It's my decision. And I've made up my mind.
Emeka, will you go inside and drop your bag? I want me and you and Mama to talk tonight. Maybe after that you can go.
That's not possible. I already made up my mind. I'm leaving.
Emeka, made up your mind to go where? Emeka, keep up, baby.
Mama, don't worry about me. I'll be fine. I just want to offer my way.
It's a war way. Who can talk that, please? Man, I'm going nowhere. No.
My mind is made up. I'm leaving. I can't stay in this house. I can't.
No, please. Let me leave this bag.
Go inside and drop your bag.
I'm not with that bag. I'm here now.
I'm banned.
Don't worry. I'll be fine. Don't worry yourself.
Do you want to abandon me?
Mama, don't worry. I'll be fine. I'm telling you, I'll be fine.
Please.
I'm not abandoning you. Mama, please now. Please. Let me just go. Don't worry. Leave the bag. Mama, give me my bag now. I will leave this bag for you. I will leave this bag and leave here now. Mama, leave. Mama, leave.
Shall come, because what goes around comes around. Someday the wicked shall cry.
What happened? Is she dead? Are you deaf? What happened, my friend?
Boss, we're sorry. We're sorry about it.
Sorry for what?
But she escaped. tried, but she escaped.
You tried, but she escaped. You must be very, very stupid. What was that supposed to mean?
Sorry, boss. We missed the target. Her men started firing at us.
I gave you an order. I said, kill her, no matter what, kill her. And you have the guts to stand before me and say she escaped?
Sorry, sir. We're going to mount another surveillance on her. And this time around, she will not escape.
Will you shut up? What makes you think she will give you another chance? I feel more comfortable when my enemies are dead. Simple instruction, kill her. When I say kill her, I mean kill her at all costs. Get out of my sight. Get out! Fools. Sorry for your miserable self. Listen, you have 24 hours. I repeat, 24 hours to kill that woman. Else, I will kill 3 of you.
The day of reckoning shall come, because what goes around comes around. Someday the wicked shall.
I'm a wild also. Go say you jibili. Go say you jibili. Mwabadora ni kuku. Uzodema sent those men after me. I see. I will stop him before he stops me. This time around. No, he will not escape me. Saw what happened today, right?
Yes, Mama.
Now you guys have job at hand. And this time around, I wouldn't want any of you to foil the arrangement. Am I understood?
Yes, Mama.
The execution will be tonight. Our target remains same man. I will give you the direction to his house. This time around, you must not fail me.
Mama, we will surely seize his bread tonight. Mama, we go deliver well. We not go fail you.
Capture him! Kill him with your bare hands! That's if your bullets cannot kill him.
Mama, I am a walking also. This one na must. We go deliver for you. I agree you could into okay. Aquaka against Butu.
Good. Return to your duty. I'll summon you before the night falls.
There is danger, there is trouble everywhere.
I'm going to make you happy this time around.
Devil you don't know, wickedness and evil destroyed humanity. Ewo, Jesus.
What is your that? Okay, it's not around. Hello, madam. We have searched everywhere, but Izaga is nowhere to be found. We are with his gate man right inside the house. I think the best option is for we to wait for him until he gets back.
Okay. I'll correct her.
Alpha, what is the case?
Be like say this idiot they lie to us.
You're not lying. Do we look like a joker to you? You don't want to talk, Abi? You don't want to talk, Abi?
Do we look like a joker to you? Or you want me to drop your face?
You want me to waste you?
No, don't you know. Are you ready to tell me the truth? You don't want to talk, Abi? I want to talk, bro. It's not around.
Where are
If you don't say the truth, I will waste your brain now. Where's your guy?
So, follow you the talk, you follow the act.
It's not around. It's not around.
The day of reckoning shall come, because what goes around comes around. Someday the wicked shall cry. Ihonyabola mere kogeji si awe buro, mpuro nyabola koro koga waramogeru. Ihonyabola mere kogeji si awe buro, mpuro nyabola koro koga waramogeru. Ihonyabola mere kogeji si awe buro, mpuro nyabola koro koga waramogeru. Ihonyabola mere kogeji si awe buro.
What happened?
You couldn't get him, man.
What happened?
You couldn't get him.
What do you mean you couldn't get him? And where is the third person?
Mama is there.
Dead? What happened to him? What happened?
One of our leaders shot. We didn't know the guy was there, so we shot and got and
Where is his body?
Oh, madam, we abandoned it on the roadside.
What? You did what? Abandon his body on the roadside? Don't you know that they can use that thing to trace us? You don't know?
Mama, we are sorry. God, that is the best thing.
Will you shut up? Are you out of your mind? How can you abandon his dead body along the road? Don't you know they will use it against us? Now, get out and go and do something. Do it now!
Okay. Don't
small one at all. I said, no be small. This whole thing happened, right? Gunshot everywhere. Bah, 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 bah. I thought I was even there. You see this guy here? This guy strong, well. The guy strong, well. He shot one of them and fell down. Hey. Okay, this guy. That's strong, well.
How many were there?
3. Okay, there are 3. I was happy that you are not around. For ready to die in this your room.
Well.
Okay. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Some money.
Dogo.
Boss.
Once again, you have proven that you are a gallant soldier.
Thank you, boss.
Thanks for watching my back. Buy drinks for yourself.
Thank you, boss.
I appreciate it.
Danger, there is trouble everywhere. The angel you know could be the devil you don't know. Wickedness and evil has destroyed humanity. It has destroyed humanity. Ewo, Chizoba.
Adora, you had the gods to send your boys to my house. We shall see. Adora, we shall see.
It's either now or never. I have to avenge my sister's death. Yes, I have to. I have to. I have to. Ah! Stay away from me! No, don't leave me alone! Stay away from me! Please, stay away from me! Ah!
You're a brother, right?
Yes, sir.
And you're a member of the church we're talking about?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want you to relax. You are in a safe hand here. Just tell me everything.
Okay, sir. That very night, the prayer warriors had a prayer meeting from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Others, except me and my friends, went home. We stayed by in the church because it was too late to go home. At about 1 a.m., I woke up to ease myself. I then saw the pastor burying 2 babies alive in a grave.
What? 2 babies?
Yes, sir.
What did you do?
I then tapped my friend. We woke up and watched it together. We wanted to remove the babies, but we were scared that he might come back for us.
Did he come back?
No, he didn't. We cried the whole night. Then we decided that we were going to stop attending the church. 2 weeks after, the pastor called me on phone and asked me why I stopped attending the church. I told him I had traveled back to my village.
What about you?
She traveled back to her village, and that was how we lost contact.
From what you've narrated to me, it's like the pastor doesn't live in the church.
No.
And you haven't told anybody about this?
No. I decided to come and tell you so that I'll clear my conscience and be at peace, because I have not been at peace since. I've had the urge to tell someone, but I was scared.
Are you sure of what you're saying? What I mean, can you identify the particular place these babies were buried?
Yes, sir, I can.
Officer Bruno. Sir. Take that statement, okay?
Yes, sir.
Let it be well documented. We should go get back.
Yes, sir.
The day of reckoning shall come, oh, because what goes around comes around. Someday the wicked shall cry.
We cannot leave them to kill themselves.
Both of them had the temerity to mess up before me. You see, I have decided not to interfere in their matters again. Let them sort themselves.
No, my lord. Please, I have to plead on their behalf. Please, give them a second chance.
Not anymore. Not anymore. It is too late now.
My lord, they are still part of us. I mean, they are still part of this fraternity. We have to show them love. For Christ's sake, we cannot just abandon them. Please.
That doesn't change anything. They will bear the consequences.
My lord, please, tamper justice with mercy. Please, Juku.
Why are you interceding for them? You see, as a matter of fact, I have decided to take my hands off everything that concerns them. The fraternity has withdrawn her protection on them. Anything that happens to them is to their own peril.
My lord, please. My lord, I am scared that the repercussion will be too grievous for them. Please, my lord.
Well, they called for it. They will face the music. Why are we even bothering ourselves over these? Let's talk about something more important. When do you say you're traveling to Dubai?
Well, my lord, I am currently working on a project. I do not think I have any schedule of traveling at the moment.
Jeku,
My lord.
you're working on a new project.
Yes, my lord. A hotel, to be precise.
Wow. Praise be the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Praise be the Lord.
Amen.
You see, the blessings of God make it rich and added the sorrow.
Mama, where is sis? She's inside. Don't tell me you've not seen her since she came back.
I've not seen her. I didn't know she's back. I was busy in the other room.
She's inside.
Has it been long she came back?
Adama, what is it? That's him! Don't let him come close to me! Don't let him come close! There's nobody there. What is this? There's nobody there now. Say him! Say him! Yeah. Say him! Don't let him come close to me! Don't let him come! Mama! Come! Mama! What is the problem? There's nobody inside.
And what are you both doing here?
My lord, my father has been tormenting me. My father has been disturbing me in my dreams. Please, I want you to change his spirit so that he stops disturbing me.
Great one. My wife appears every now and then. The public disgrace is becoming unbearable. Please, something has to be done.
You both disobeyed and went contrary to the rules and regulation of the sacred order of the Dragon Fraternity. You will face the consequences.
My lord, I I am ready to do any appeasement. Please, my lord.
It is too late. It is too late. The protection of the dragon fraternity has been taken away from you. You are on your own. No one dares a dragon fraternity and go scot-free. You brought these upon yourself.
Uzodinma, you killed me out of your own selfish interest, just to make money.
Amara, my love, please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to kill you. They deceived me. I acted out of ignorance. Please forgive me.
After everything I went through with you, you killed me.
Like I said, it wasn't intentional. Forgive me, it will never ever happen again.
Uzodinma, you will die. Yes. Confess! Or you die! Confess! Or you die! Confess! Or you die! Confess! Or you die! Confess! Or you die!
Master Jeku, we invited you here because we have a serious accusation against you that you kidnap little children. That is why we invited you here to clear yourself. You need to tell me the truth.
Dikeh, you should know me very well. I am a philanthropist. I am a respectable citizen of this noble country. I cannot do such a thing. DPO, I cannot descend so low to sacrificing whatever. I have money. I am wealthy, so I don't have any issues with giving people money or whatever. This issue of sacrificing, I think there's a mistake somewhere.
Mr. Jeku, there is a credible witness against you.
Against me?
I'm telling you.
DPO, like I said, I think there's a mistake somewhere.
No problem.
It cannot be.
Okay. Officer Manuel, bring the criminal.
I'm a very respectable citizen of this country. I cannot do such a thing.
Bring him in. Is it the man you're talking about? I'm asking you a question. Is it the man? Mr. Jeku, you are under arrest. And you are advised to remain silent. Because anything you say might be used against you in the court of law.
Ken, you betrayed me. You betrayed me, Ken.
Keep quiet, Mr. Jeku. Officer, Inari, take both of them to the cell.
Your reckoning shall come, because what goes around comes around.
Mr. Jeku, keep quiet.
Someday the wicked shall
keep quiet. I don't want to hear anything from you. Okay, I don't want to hear anything from you. Anything you say might be used in the court of law. Take them out of this place. Move. Take them to the cell. Criminals. This is how you destroy this country because you want to be rich. Nonsense.
It's urgent, okay? I have a flight to catch by 12 o'clock. As you can see, I'm late already, Mama, please.
When are you coming back?
Mama, that I don't know. But as soon as I get to my destinations, I will call you.
What about the appointment with the embassy tomorrow?
Oh, that. I think I will call them to postpone the arrangement. Yes, the arrangement. Because I...
Mama, Mama. Mama.
What are you doing here?
Adora, I come in peace.
No!
I come in peace.
Leave my house!
Get out! No, he cannot trick me this time around.
I'm here to confess and apologize. I just hope you forgive me. I hope you forgive me, Mama.
Kedipo, what is it?
Mama? Mama, I killed Amara.
What?
I used to have a morning ritual.
So all this...
How dare you!
So all this while you...
You killed who? You killed my daughter! Hey! Who's the name? Chima!
Adora is aware. We are in the same cult.
Cult?
I knew it!
Chima!
I knew it!
Who's the name?
Knew it! I knew it!
Mama, look at her!
I knew it! Hi! I knew it! Okwagi! Mama, oh!
Adora! Adora is in the again. He's in the baby. Then, Chibo, Mama, get Chibo. Who wants your make on
See, don't even bring that leg. No, open that one.
Okay, Papa. I killed my own father. Just to make money. For money ritual. Mama, I killed you, Zodima's father. Killed him. I killed him to avenge my sister's death. Hey! Yes. Hey! Chibo. Yes. Chima! Ndukadima! I get him! Ndukadima! I'm at you, Wabo!
The day of reckoning shall come, because what goes around comes around. Someday the wicked shall cry. Ihonyabula miracle geji si awe buro, mpuro nyabula koro koga waramo.